Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, are you singing as well? Or just the ukulele? Okay. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, actually I was just about to say it's the first ukulele we've had at Guitar Licks at Patrick's, but it's not. It's the second. It's the first ukulele we've had going via a loop pedal, so that is definitely a world premiere. Please give it up for Stephen Thomas, aka Bash.
This is a little tune called Rain Goes. Alright, the first time I've ever used a loop pedal.
So you tried to tell us that was the first time, and I'm not buying it at all. That was great. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Stephen Thomas, aka Bash. The first time and only time you're ever likely to hear a ukulele going for a loop pedal, unless you come to another open mic, of course, and Stephen's playing. So, well, i.e. tomorrow night it's going to happen. Tomorrow night, there you go.